Hello everyone and welcome to Geetanandan Academy. Today I am going to be talking about how you can learn English through Google Bard. What is Google Bard? Google Bard is a large language model from Google AI trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your question in an informative way. How can I use Google Bard to learn English? There are many ways you can use Google Bard to learn English. Here are few ideas. First one, use Google Bard to translate English text in your native language. This can help you to understand the meaning of English text without having to learn the grammar and vocab. Second, use Google Bard to help you with your English grammar and vocabulary. Google Bard can provide you with definitions, example, and user notes for English words and phrases. Use Google Bard to practice your English speaking and listening skills. Google Bard can provide you with a feedback on your pronunciation and comprehension. Use Google Bard to find English resources. Google Bard can help you to find English textbooks, articles, and other resources that can help you to learn English. So our next question is how to learn English through Google Bard. Here are some specific steps you can take to learn English through Google Bard. First one, set a goal for yourself. What do you want to achieve by learning English? Do you want to be able to read English books, watch English movies, or have conversation with English speakers? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start to develop a plan to reach your goal. Second, find a learning method that works for you. There are many different ways to learn English. Some people prefer to take classes while others prefer to learn independently. There are also many different resources available such as textbooks, apps, and websites. Experiment with different methods and resources until you find something that you enjoy and that help you to learn effectively. Third one, the most important, be persistent and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing and you will eventually reach your goal. Additional tips for learning English through Google Bard. Here are some additional tips. Learning English through Google Bard. First, use Google Bard regularly. The more you use Google Bard, the more you learn. Second, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. The important thing to learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. Third, find a language partner. A language partner is someone who is called also learning English. You can practice your speaking and listening skills by talking to each other. Third, join an English club or class. This is a great way to meet other people who are learning English and get support and encouragement. So in conclusion, learning English can be challenges, but it's also very rewarding. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goal of learning English. And the most important, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any query, please leave a comment down. Thank you for watching. Once again, please subscribe Geetanandan Academy.